Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use guest mode in Google Chrome. Guest mode lets you browse the internet without saving your browsing history, cookies, or other activity to your regular Chrome profile. It's especially useful when someone else wants to use your computer. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Guest. A new guest mode window will open. You can now browse the internet just like you normally would. You can visit websites, search for information, and use online services without affecting the browsing data in your main Chrome profile. When you're finished, click the Guest profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Close Guest. The guest mode window will close, and the browsing history and other temporary data from that session will be removed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use guest mode in Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.